Buying a home in 2026 isn't just about the price tag. The real game is what happens to your cash flow afterward. Because your mortgage isn't the only bill. Taxes, insurance, repairs, utilities, and everyday life still want their share. So here's the part people miss. A home can look affordable on paper and still squeeze your monthly life. That beautiful kitchen is exciting, but the boring stuff hiding behind it can change your budget pretty fast. The question isn't just, can I make the payment? It's, can I make the payment and still live normally? A lender may approve a bigger loan. That doesn't mean a bigger loan is the smarter choice for your life. A smarter home strategy starts before you shop. Build the cash you need for the purchase and the surprises after it.
Your emergency fund is what keeps one broken system or repair bill from becoming a financial disaster. It is the foundation of a clean.
Sometimes the smartest move isn't buying sooner. It's preparing longer so the home doesn't control your entire paycheck. Think of your home budget as a full picture: housing costs plus real life plus savings. That's your true affordability. Think of your home budget as a full picture: housing costs plus real life plus savings. That's your true affordability. And make saving automatic. If the money moves before you spend it, your future home gets paid first. Don't shop for the maximum payment you can survive. Shop for the payment that still leaves room for your actual life. Instead of one giant savings pile, separate the goal: down payment, closing costs, moving expenses, and your safety buffer. A home decision affects the whole household. Your budget should still leave room for food, transportation, savings, fun, and unexpected expenses. Here's the payoff. When something goes wrong, your cash buffer handles the problem instead of your credit card. Buying the house is only one step. The real strategy is being financially strong enough to keep owning it comfortably. The goal isn't just getting the keys. The goal is getting the keys without turning your entire financial life upside down. That's what financial preparation gives you. Not just a house, but breathing room after you get the house. So before you fall in love with a house, fall in love with the numbers that let you keep it. Don't buy the biggest home you can qualify for. Buy the home your future self can comfortably afford.